Hey everybody, it's your Dark Lord of the Sith, Darth Revan. In this video I'm going to do some saber staff no-nos. Or what to do with a saber staff and what not to do. Or the correct and incorrect ways on the types of swings I do. So here we go. Or some of the swings. If you hear kids crying in the background, that's not me, it's my neighbors. Anyway, let's get to it. When you do a horizontal cut, don't overswing it. Just like with any lightsaber, don't overswing it. You're gonna die if you do it with a saber staff. Same goes for the opposite side. Here's the proper way to do it. Kind of hold it as outward as you can, then swing. But we'll try to hold it back if you're able to. Kind of hold it when you get too close to your body, or somewhat close to your body. But yeah. Anyway, this is the right way. I had to do a horizontal swing. Here's the wrong way. There you go. Same for the other side. Anyway, when you raise up and swing down, if you want to, you can hold your lightsaber kind of slanted like that. I do that because it's easier for me to swing down when I do it. When you swing down, don't swing straight down to where you cut your arm in half. See that? Gotta do it like this. Now swing down and bend your wrist bend your lower wrist as you do it. Anyway, yeah, there you go. I'm also going to teach you how to do the horizontal two-handed cuts. Don't know what to call them, but I don't really think it matters. Just like I said, just like with any other lightsaber, don't overswing. Because if you do it with this, you're going to cut yourself and die. These are real blades. Anyway, yeah, so improper way. The proper way to do it. Kind of like move your body a little bit as you do it. And yeah, there you go. So that's how you do it. Yeah. And yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, viewers and subscribers. Jedi and Sith alike, I don't know. I just spun it. I'm going to do a roll. I'm just kidding, I'm not going to do that. At least not on the pavement. That would hurt myself. Anyway, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Revan Skywalker, and that was my saber staff. Some tips and tricks with the saber staff, if you want to know how to do that. Bye.